Hi, I'm Mike Zakarian, a content creator, and over the last few years, we've covered all sorts of content here at Team Hold, but most notably, NBA Top Shot. You've seen us open Top Shot packs that are very good and very bad. Some worth lots of money, some worth no money whatsoever. But today we came across something special. And it was not the contents of the pack, but it is how we must open the packs from here on out. So now I would like to take a moment and share with you how you need to open a Top Shot pack. This is truly the only way to do it. It's the only way you'll have fun. And I'm happy to share this with you today. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. It's the Nine Lives Lounge Locker Pack giveaway. It's the Nine Lives Lounge Locker Pack giveaway. It's the Nine Lives Lounge Locker Pack giveaway. Oh, Nine Lives Lounge. Pissed everyone off with the extra Shengun. LeBron! Yeah! Bang! Here we go. Spectacular, not in the league. Spectacular, not in the league. Yeah. Oh, it drops again. Who's next? Oh, another leg. Heat culture. Another guy on the Heat who won't be there long. Duncan Robinson. Let's go to another moment. This is how we make Top Shot fun. Yeah. Beantown. Josh Richardson. More moments of guys who are never gonna play again. Woo! Yeah. This is the closest. Need to stretch up the content, that's right. Nine Lives Lounge is the place to be. So grateful to stand like me. Join the NLL and we're finally free. Listening to Mike as he's a real OG. We're in the NLL. Here we go. Let's go pack number 2. Let's get that dookie doo. Oh. Torian Prince. Timberwolves gang. There you go, Borland. At least he's still in the league. He's playing. Next up. Kane. Like a bee. Oh, I thought it stopped for a second. Mo Harkless getting traded away. Just a contract now. Yeah, there you go. Going too hard. Versions. Here we go. Infinity. Being wow. Like on it. Else we want to do. Honestly, this is very offensive. Here we go. Hey, Jackson Hayes. He's the 8th big man, Ellie. He's the 8th big man. Behind a Hernan Gomez, not that one. Next up. Conley, Mike Conley. Do you have any Mike Conley with some audio? Oh, here we go. Mike Conley, baby, here we go. Go the Here we go. Ooh! Yeah, DJ, yeah, mid, I'm gonna get this is DJ, this is DJ.
PJ Washington. PJ Washington. PJ Washington.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. And more importantly, I would like you to share with me in the comments how you open a Top Shot pack. How does it make you feel? And what are you looking forward to in your life?